GEOSAT ALPAS II, an unmanned helicopter with a flexible body, is specifically designed for smart agriculture. The integrated tank can load 16 liters of liquid to carry out the spraying tasks. The auto height hold system can keep the best efficiency of spraying while cruising. With the concept of an agriculture-based approach, prospering agriculture through science and technology, GEOSAT expects to explore new areas of traditional agriculture with UAV technology. We want to create a new style of smart agriculture that belongs to the intelligence tech age.